Hello everyone, my name is Sahib Singh. I study in class 7th D. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Today in this video lecture, I will be discussing about rock cycle. Now you may be wonder what is meaning of rock cycle. It is a process in which rocks of one kind changes into different type of rock. There are three kinds of rocks, which are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Each of these rocks can change into the other kinds by physical processes: cooling, melting, heating, compacting, cementing, and by pressure. Now, if I ask you what Earth is made up of, you will answer rocks and minerals. A rock consists of two or more minerals. Minerals are made of one or more chemicals. Now, what is radius of Earth? The answer is 6371 kilometer. Now we will study about these three different types of rocks in detail. Igneous rocks are formed from liquid molten rock that is called magma that cools slowly and harden, which is very hot magma. When it cools down and becomes solid, then igneous rocks are formed. Igneous word is derived from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. Igneous means made from fire and heat. There are two types of igneous rocks, which are extrusive rocks are formed when the molten magma present inside the Earth's interior comes out onto the Earth's surface, cools down and becomes a solid. When molten magma cools down and solidifies deep within the Earth's crust, intrusive rocks are formed. Example of extrusive rocks: basalt. Deccan Plateau is made of basalt. Example of intrusive rocks is granite. I want to show you a pic of granite. This one is a picture of granite. Now, which stones are used to prepare paste powder of spices and grains? Answer is grinding stones. Now we will study about sedimentary rocks. These rocks get their name from Latin word sedimentum, which means settle down. These rocks are formed by the settling down of sediments. Now what are sediments? These are smaller particles that are formed by the breaking down of rocks when they roll down, crack and hit each other. Now we will study about metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into the slate and limestone into the marble. Metamorphic means to have been changed as a volcano pushes its way up through the earth's great heat changes a sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock. Pressure from ocean, rock, heat from magma. Metamorphic rocks arise from the transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. The original rock is subjected to heat and pressure, causing profound physical or chemical change. Now, elements that make up rocks are never created or destroyed. Instead, they are constantly being recycled. The rock cycle helps us to see that the earth is like a giant rock recycling machine. Now we will study about rock cycle diagram. First of all, igneous rocks are formed, then sediments, then sedimentary rocks are formed, then metamorphic rocks are formed. This process is repeated again and again. So, rocks are never destroyed. I hope that you have better understood the topic. Thank